ちらが奥松島になります。向こうのに行くとひょっとしたらいいのかもしれませんが、石巻に向かいます。そして、サンマで有名な目川に向かいたいと思います。ここはそんなに深くないですが、このように続いてます。こちらが石巻の市街地になります。
Every day I swear I need you. With each glance I love you more and more. Our walls came crumbling down. Now hand in hand we soar. For a lifetime of our love yous, two hearts, one beat. You whisper to me, be mine. For a lifetime, it's the little things that make our hearts meet. It's like I can hardly breathe when you say my name. I know we've waited and we've prayed, and here we are for a lifetime. Oh, forever and ever for a lifetime. Forever. My soul found you and fell in love. Now I can't get you out of my mind. Your tears, your touch, your lips, your love, your laugh, your songs, your stories. Your heart, your arms, your lips, your laugh, your love, your songs, your stories. Our tears, our prayers, our laughs, our love, our smiles, our songs, our stories. They're ours for a lifetime. I'll love you, two hearts, one beat. You whisper to me, be mine for a lifetime. It's the little things that make our hearts meet. It's like I can hardly breathe when you say my name. I know we've waited and we've prayed. Oh darling, say my name. I know we've waited and we've prayed, and here we are for a lifetime.
前回岩手県の龍泉洞が行った時コロナで休みだったのでぜひ行きたいなと思ったんですが、この鮎川からなんと4時間6分 Google で指してます。岩手の真ん中より北の方なので今回はパスしようと思います。いや帰ってきました。今から女川じゃないですね、こちらが金華山になります。港の方に民家があるみたいです。そして向こうの方にも島があり、海で